Dave the cat become an unlikely cult hero during the World Cup. England's feline World Cup mascot Dave has been passed on to a new owner, Kyle Walker and John Stones have revealed. The Three Lions and Manchester City duo befriended the cat at their World Cup base in Qatar in November before insisting on bringing him home to the United Kingdom. Dave is reportedly due to fly to England in April after a period of quarantine. Walker and Stones won a fiercely contested battle among the team to keep the cat. However, they have now revealed that their busy schedule with England and Man City has led to Dave, named by Stones, being passed on to a new owner. England's head of security was given the animal after the tournament. Walker and Stones were asked about the cat's whereabouts in a Q&A with Sky Sports ahead of City's 1-0 Premier League win over Chelsea. "Don't know," Stones admitted, laughing before turning to Walker to prompt a better explanation. Tony, the head of security, he was leaving, that was his last tournament, Walker said. "Me and John, as parents, decided that Tony would be a great adopted dad for Dave. Tony would be able to give him, Dave, a little bit more time than what we could have, in our busy schedule." Walker continued, "Hopefully Tony looks after Dave and he can have a nice life. We said he's got to bring him up here and see us." The Daily Mail reported that Dave was unable to fly home with the squad in December as he was forced into quarantine in Qatar. He has been placed into temporary foster care after receiving all the required jabs and vaccinations. Walker said at a World Cup press conference last month, "John named him Dave. Dave is just welcome to the table. Some people really don't like the cat but I love him. I love him." Qatar Animal Welfare Society, who are caring for Dave prior to his journey to England, admitted that there was strong competition among the squad to keep the cat. Carer Janet Berry told the Daily Star, "Precisely where he'll end up is anyone's guess. So many of the players want him." Walker initially pledged to bring Dave home if England won the World Cup. However, Gareth Southgate's side bowed out of the tournament at the quarter-final stage, losing 2-1 against eventual runners-up France.